Hi, my name is James Butler, Product Manager for Windows, Window Walls, and Balcony Entrances at Kawneer. Architects can use window wall and ribbon window systems in multifamily due to their floor-to-ceiling construction, which isolates noise from level to level. Also, the large spans allows for uninterrupted view, allowing an abundance of natural light, increasing occupant comfort. The systems are high-performing, have been tested to rigorous standards, from your standard air and water testing up into hurricane impact testing and seismic testing as well. Architects can use window walls or ribbon window systems on multifamily projects due to their design flexibility with multiple slab edge cover options. Gives you flexibility in choosing your design options for your exterior, while the slab-to-slab construction allows for isolation from floor to floor, increasing occupant comfort and reducing noise levels in the building. The systems are high-performing, have been tested to rigorous standards including hurricane impact and seismic test standards as well. To learn more about Kawneer's presence in the multifamily market, visit Kawneer's Multifamily Market Solutions webpage at kawneer.com.